We got the beat, the Marian M-Beat goes.
Welcome to this week's M-Beat. I'm Ellie.
I'm Mia.
I'm Ellie.
I'm Maya.
Welcome to the M-Beat!
This week on the broadcast.
My New Year's resolution was to spend more time with my family.
Save money for a new car at the end of the year.
For Marian basketball to win every game in the new year.
Is to stop biting my nails.
My New Year's resolution is to be independent.
To keep my room clean.
To focus on schoolwork.
How did I become a TM? Pretty much Mr. D asked me after bowling tryouts because I got cut, unfortunately, but I love being a TM, so it's awesome. I like how I can still go bowl with the girls at practice, and I get to become friends with new underclassmen, and then I like how I can just be there, and then I don't have to have the competition. I'm just kind of there, not having to worry about bowling good. I pretty much bowl with the girls, or I am making content for social media. So we have a TikTok account and an Instagram account, and I try to spice it up. I think it's called Marian Bowling Team if you want to give that a follow. And then at meets, I usually keep tracks of stats, and I tally up scores for both teams. So yeah. I think being a TM is important. They do a lot of different things behind the scenes, and if you don't make a team, it's another way to be involved with a sport that you love.
Spring sports are looking for new team managers. Try something new and email coaches today.
You gonna do? Yeah, boys, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Winter formal! Marian Student Board held their annual Winter Formal Saturday, January 14th. Junior Student Board members worked together to pick up the theme, decorations, and more. Student Board member Ashley Mercer gives insight on why it's so important for Marian students to attend fun events like this, stating, "It is super important for our students to go to these planned events. You never know who you are going to meet, and it's honestly one of the best ways to make new friends, dress up, and simply have a fun night."
Reminder that Student Services is available for any of your needs.
Stop by and see a counselor at any time.
Thanks for watching!